Hi, so I'm building the atoms, the isotopes with Joseph and Wyatt at home. And I said, Wyatt, let me see if I can guess what atom you built. And so his protons are the gray. So I'm counting them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 protons, which means it has to be oxygen because that has an atomic number of 8, which means 8 protons. Now, how many neutrons does he have? They're the white. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 neutrons. Is that right, Wyatt? There's a hidden one. 10. So I have 8 protons plus 10 neutrons, which means this is oxygen 18. Am I right, Wyatt? Yay! And so if it has an atomic number of 8, it has 8 protons. It has to have 8 electrons. So 1, 2 in the first energy level, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons. And then for drawing a picture, I told him, okay, I want you to also do oxygen. Oh, you're doing oxygen 17. Okay, so what would that look like? What would that look like if you're doing oxygen 17? And what did you remove? Can you show us?
An electron and a proton.
So if you remove a proton, then suddenly you have a nitrogen. So you can't remove a proton or you change the element. That's a good example, though. So what do you remove to make this oxygen 17? What do you remove? Show us.
This.
He removed a neutron, the white ones. Okay? And you can tell the atomic mass would be the number of protons plus the number of neutrons, which would be 8 protons plus how many? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 neutrons. And so then he would have oxygen 17, and he filled out his energy levels. And the electrons, they shouldn't change. How many electrons in each energy level? So the electrons shouldn't change at all. So you got to change that answer. The only thing changing in isotopes is the neutrons. Okay, cool. And here's my page that I did. So I did nitrogen. So I did nitrogen 14 and nitrogen 15. And I drew my little Bohr model here. And I counted my 7 protons and my 7 neutrons. And here I have 7 protons and 8 neutrons, because 7 plus 8 is 15 for nitrogen 15. And then I labeled them what colors are what. I just wrote it out for you guys to see. So that's what you have to do for the lab, and then there's some questions to answer for the conclusion. Easy peasy, and hopefully you learned a lot.